In which liquid, glycerin or kerosene, the loss in the weight of a solid, so they're asking loss in the weight of a solid object when fully immersed in it will be more. Given the density of glycerin and kerosene to be this, and very important thing is check out the units. Are they same? Yes. Then we are good to go. If not, we have to convert them to the same units. So we'll begin by giving you guys the long answer. First thing first, FBD of the object in the fluid, how will it look? We have the object getting pulled down and also at the same time, right, we pull down by how much weight or how much force? Mg. At the same time, what is happening? You have a force that is pulling them up, pushing them up to be accurate. FB, that is your buoyant force. So what is the net force acting on it? So F net would be mg minus Fp, right guys? So this is fixed. Right? This can vary, is it not? So as a whole, what happens? It depends on fluid's density. Fluid's density. Agree? All of this we have seen in other questions also. Just a way of recalling and understanding things better. Now, we can clearly see density of glycerin is more than density of kerosene. So as a whole, the force, the upward force, the buoyantic force of glycerin will be more than the buoyantic force of kerosene. Agree? And now we can tell that the net force acting on the object because of glycerin or inside glycerin will be lesser than the net force acting on the object in kerosene. Why and how? Simple. Let me explain it this way. If I take this value to be 100 Newton, right? Weight of the object is 100 Newton. The force because of glycerin, like say I'll take 10 and say this I'll take as 8. Is it not? 10 is greater than 8. Again, I'm just assuming these values. 8 Newton, 10 Newton. All of this you can copy in pencil. Or let me do this. 10 Newton, 8 Newton. So what happens? 100 minus 10 obviously is smaller than 100 minus 8. So what can you conclude? We can conclude that the loss of weight of the object in glycerin is more than loss of weight, agree, of the object in kerosene. You guys agree with this? Yes, right? I hope I made it very clear. So this would be 10. The loss of weight over here is 10 and the loss of weight over here is 8. Not K, sorry, 8N. That's it. As simple as that. Right guys, so of course in your exam we need to write it. Actually explaining this way also is correct, but in exam I'm sure you guys will be confused to write and won't be confident to write. So you guys can write this answer. The loss of weight will be more in glycerin. So you need to underline glycerin as the volume of the liquid displaced is same. The buoyant force depends on density. If you underline this, you'll be done. And density of glycerin is more than that of the kerosene. Okay guys, so now you guys have to pause, have to write everything. Yes, this is not an exam answer, but it will help you understand the concept and help you guys mature to learn the future concepts.